Go, Frosty. Welcome back to my YouTube channel today. What is this place called?
It's called the Winter Wonderland.
Choo choo. Look. Want to get the picture of the sign. Happy holidays. Gonna be in the video for YouTube.
It's an ice factory.
Mason is excited.
Excited about it? We are excited.
Happy holiday.
What you looking at, Mason Minus?
The reindeer.
We're going to the railroad crossing.
Welcome to the Ryan Nation. I'm your host, Shane Thomas.
Bye.
All part of this group?
Yeah.
Red, navy, and purple. Hold my hand, Mom.
Why you want to hold my hand?
Hold my hand. Hold my hand, Mommy.
Choo choo. Hi. Wave.
Stop.
Look at.
Stop. No, stop.
He's being a scaredy cat. Ooh, this is nice. Chugga, chugga, choo choo. Choo choo. That is one gigantic tree. Hi. What? Yeah, naughty nice. Yeah, maybe you should learn how to read. What that say, jail? Who's going to jail? Who is going to jail for Christmas? What is going on? Oh, look at the little boy. Look at the toe of the pole. Yeah, look at that train. Ah, choo-choo. Dancing through the snow. And a one horse open sleigh on the way. And it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh.
Hey.
Let's dance. It is to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Hey, come on, dance. It's over. We gotta go enjoy the other stuff. And we gotta let everybody else get on the train.
Right. Right up this way for Santa. You're gonna go up and around the black road.
Okay, up and around the black road. On the 20th. Same to you. You ready?
You guys can all go on in.
Alright. Party is here.
Come on in. Merry Christmas. Just gonna shut that door behind you.
Come on in.
Thank you.
Come on, enjoy it. Are you good this year? Are you good this year? Are you good this year?
Were you good this year, Mason?
Morgan, come over here and sit.
Were you good this year?
Give your mom that thing. Go ahead.
Were you good this year? Were you good this year? Were you good this year? What do you want for Christmas?
I want babies in the rainbow coin.
What do you want for Christmas?
I want a toy helicopter.
What do you want for Christmas?
A toy train.
Toy train? What do you want for Christmas?
A toy truck.
Toy truck? What do you want for Christmas? What?
Dolls.
Baby dolls or Barbie dolls?
Dolls.
Barbie dolls?
An American Girl doll playset and
Okay.
Oh.
You gonna take pictures?
Yeah.
Alright, the best place for the camera is right where the elf is standing. The farther back in that corner you can go, the better the picture. Spin around and face that way.
That was so
Turn
cute.
around.
That was so cute.
Turn around. Take your mask down.
His foot's stuck.
Uh-oh, you okay, Mace? Say cheese. Get a big smile. Morgan, smile. Our Kim got good camera. Yay. He's a jolly, happy soul. I don't know the words. The two are made out of coal. Look at the dance. Go, Frosty. Go, Frosty. Go, Mason. Go take a picture with Frosty. Go, Frosty. Go. Hey. Go, Mason. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, look at that. I see you. We need some music. You want me to take a picture? Oh. Let me see. Hi, Snowman Mason. Hi. Uh-oh, somebody's named Ryan like me. Mason, you don't want a picture with me?
No.
Aw.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. He's sick of the pictures. It was nice. Happy holiday. Bye-bye, train. I'll see you next time.